Hi there! I'm the Deals Master, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Amazon deals that I found recently. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Black Santa Claus Christmas decorations with music lights. The electric climbing ladder is a climbing ladder for African American Santa Claus. The ladder has a total length of 22 inches and a battery life of 2. The Santa is 9.5 inches tall and weighs about 4.7 inches. The Christmas tree is made of ABS and plush fabric. Original price, $15.99, now discounted 50% to $7.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. Olive oil sprayer for cooking, olive oil sprayer for salad, olive oil sprayer for barbecue, olive oil sprayer for salad, olive oil spray 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 for. Olive oil sprayer is made of stainless steel and transparent glass, with raised and extended nozzle and non-slip button. Press hard several times to show the mister. Widely used in baking, cooking, air fryer. You can easily use it to spray food. It is a hand gadget for the home kitchen. Original price, $13.99, now discounted 50% to $6.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. Water Dental Flosser, Grinest Battery Operated Oral Irrigator for Teeth. Grinest Cordless Water Flosser is water washable all over, for hassle-free rinsing and soaking. 360 degrees rotatable nozzle makes it easier to clean the mouth in all directions, with easy loading and unloading. Double button design enhances protection by selecting the mode before switching on. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 50% to $19.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. JIECAN Car Adventure Toy, Big Adventure Track Toy for Kids Toddlers. The car adventure toys are the ideal gift for birthdays, parties, Children's Day, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and New Year. It is suitable for early education, easy to operate, and also ideal for indoor and outdoor games, families, kindergartens, amusement parks. Especially for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old boys, girls. Original price, $26.99, now discounted 50% to $13.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Aneagle Lighter Electric Candle Lighter. The Aneagle Candle Lighter is rechargeable and reusable. No fuel, no butane, totally clean, energy saving. It reminds you of the battery level through the LED battery display, and is very convenient to charge through a computer, socket, power bank. The built-in LED light really comes in handy. Original price, $23.99, now discounted 50% to $11.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Winna Heated Vest for Men Women Electric Lightweight Heated Vest for Outdoor Hunting. The Winna Men's Heated Vest can be powered by a 10,000 mAh 5V/2A mobile power supply to heat the clothes. It can run for up to 7 to 8 hours, low, 5 to 6 hours, medium, 3 to 4 hours, high, on a single charge. For working outdoors for a long time, it is recommended to bring a spare power bank. Original price, $69.99, now discounted 59% to $28.0. With coupon code in the description below, You can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. WOHOMO side table, industrial end table with 2-tier shelves, nightstand bedside table. Multi-purpose end table. You can place it in living room, bedroom, corners next to the sofa and bed, any small corner that has been ignored. Use as end table, telephone table, side table, nightstand. High-quality bedside table, constructed with particle board and thick powder painted frame. The end table has a good load-bearing capacity. Original price, $89.99, now discounted 69% to $27.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. CoopBenPT Fruit Vegetable Food Storage Containers for Refrigerator. The fresh produce storage containers are portable and easy to carry, making them ideal for outdoor activities such as picnics, camping, or road trips. Each food container comes with a colander basket. Keep vegetables and fruits separately out of drippings. Microwavable oven and dishwasher safe. Fridge storage container made from durable 100% food-grade BPA-free PP material. Original price, $79.99, now discounted 75% to $19.9. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. KNOWSQT Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. The wireless keyboard mice combo work with PC, Mac, desktop, laptop, notebook, Chromebook, computers, smart TVs, etc. All buttons can be disassembled, put in water to clean, and also equipped with a brush to clean the garbage on the keyboard. The floating button design gives you a soft and quiet feeling. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 50% to $19.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. SOLEJAZZ Rolling Storage Cart, 3-tier utility cart mobile slide-out organizer. The storage cart can be placed in the office, library, bedroom, dressers. You can store your detergent, cleaning products, bathroom accessories, kitchen accessories, and lots more. The detachable design allows you to put 1 or 2 layers on the table as a seasoning shelf or cosmetic shelf. There are 2 lockable switches for standing on the uneven roads more stable. Original price, $25.99, now discounted 50% to $12.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. PINMILET Food Storage Containers with Lids. PINMILET Food Storage Containers are made of BPA-free and high-quality food-grade plastic. The lid and vacuum button integrated design is more convenient to use than other vacuum containers that need to be used with an electric vacuum pump. Perfect for storing cereal, oats, nuts, snacks, flour, coffee, pasta, fruits, vegetables. Original price, $28.5, now discounted 64% to $9.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. Hidden Spy Camera Alarm Clock with Stronger Night Vision. The Hidden Spy Camera Wi-Fi disguised 2 powerful 850 IR far-infrared night vision lights as time symbols. Fisheye night vision lenses and infrared lights hide camouflage is not easy to find. The NannyCam hidden camera can be set to automatically switch night vision. The Hidden Spy Alarm Clock camera looks just like a regular table clock with a simple and mini delicate design. Original price, $49.99, now discounted 55% to $22.49. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.